What's up beautiful people, this is Simar. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. Today's video is about my repair experience of LG CX OLED TV that I have purchased a bit over 2 years now. I have also made a buyer's review video about this TV in which I have explained my opinion of pros and cons and will provide the link of that video in the description box below. So let's get started with this video without wasting any time. So what happened was that all of a sudden my TV stopped working a couple of days ago. I mean, it won't switch on even if I press the power button. All I had was a black screen no matter what. I could see the little red power indicator light at the bottom of the TV blink whenever I pressed the power button, but the screen would just not switch on. Now I was very disappointed because this TV is not cheap at all. And I have never faced this issue with other TV brands that I had in the past. I had spent close to 1.5 lakh rupees for this, and it's been just a bit over 2 years now for this TV, and I had to face this issue. Anyways, I raised the service request with LG and the technician came over and checked for the issue. After doing few tests, he confirmed that the issue is with the power supply and it needs to be replaced. To be honest, he was not looking quite sure of the test that he was performing. But still he told me that the power supply needs to be replaced and he left for the day. Now on the next day I got a call from LG requesting me to accept a second technician visit, and this time the guy who came to check the TV told me that the issue is with the display itself and it had to be replaced. And he told me that the cost of replacing the display would be 90,000 rupees, which is roughly about 70% of the total TV cost. I was quite surprised to know this, as I did not expect this from LG, but I was fortunate enough that my TV was under 3-year warranty, so I will not have to pay a single rupee from my pocket. The technician placed the new display order, and after a couple of days he came back with the new display. He changed it as you can see on the screen. The guy was looking pretty sure of what he was doing. The display change was very smooth. He changed the display in a matter of minutes and the TV started working absolutely fine. But the thing that was concerning to me was that when I asked the technician if this was a common issue with all the LG OLED TV models, and he acknowledged it by saying yes. He also added that LG OLED TV screens would just last for maximum 3 years and not beyond it. I was very surprised by his response. So the real question for me is that if LG OLED technology is good enough to sustain and be value for money for an average customer, or is it that LG is just ripping off money from their consumers? And what exactly is LG doing to resolve this if this is something commonly faced by a lot of customers? I would like to share my opinion here. I think it's not fair for a customer to spend 1.5 lakh for a TV and still face quality issue with it. I will definitely not buy LG TV going forward and will be skeptical about the other electronic product offered by LG. I think from an average customer's point of view, if I'm spending this amount on a TV, it should work for at least good 7 to 8 years without any major issues. In order to protect myself, I bought the extended warranty for another 2 years, which costed me an extra 23,000 rupees. Sadly, I will have to live with it for the next few years until I buy the new TV. But I hope you guys have learned enough from this video to make a decision if LG products are worth your money. Do share your thoughts and experience about LG products in the comment section below, and do let me know if you have any questions. I hope this video helped you a lot, and if it did, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Do share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to like this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, peace.